Okay, so let's say you're working on some Khan Academy module. Let's find a quick one here. Go to Learn, Math. Let's go to one of the 8th grade modules here. So we have all these different 8th grade modules to choose from. And so they're recognizing rational and irrational numbers really quick. Because here we're going over how to check to make sure your data went through on Khan Academy. So here we have a repeating decimal, that's rational. Any simple fraction is rational. The third root of 7 is irrational, right? It's not a perfect cube, so it's irrational. 3 pi over 2 is irrational. Multiplied or divided by any rational number by pi, it's irrational. And 3 3/8 is rational. We're done. The next one, rational, rational, irrational, irrational. I'll go faster now, right? This way we can just see how to check. So you can always check to see all the work you've done in Khan Academy. You can even encourage your families to look at your data so they can give you feedback to let you know how they think you've been doing and maybe help you think about what you want to do next. It's really important to realize that this data is only being collected to help you, right? That's the goal. Okay, so sometimes it'll tell you right here you've done it, but that's not enough, right? You want to really check to make sure this has gone through. Sometimes it'll take a long time to load this dashboard. If it takes more than about 30 seconds, you can still get out of here and check it. Why do I want you to still check it? Because many people are forgetting to log in. Up here, make sure that you're logged in and not with some other account. So click this. Click on to your progress and see what you've done. So this is where you can review your own data, right? I would click on activity under your vital statistics. That's the key. Click the activity and you can see what you've done today. So here, right, is the date 11/17, and on that date, if I scroll over the bar, it tells me the things I've just done. And if that's not enough, if I know I'm looking for, right, certain progress on a certain activity, there are other things you can click here. I would click that on skill progress. So when you're looking through your skill progress, it'll show you, right, the different skills here, the attempts you've done on them, and the progress you're at. Now you don't have to actually scroll through all of these, right? If you know that you're looking for a certain module, I hit Control or Command F. This little search bar will pop up depending on what browser you're using, and search for what you're looking for. We were just looking at irrational numbers, right? So the browser will find it for you. And this is what I see, right? When I'm your coach, I see the module. Here it tells me the attempts and that I've practiced it, right? So if you see a number there like 15 in practice, that's what I see. It tells me you've done it. But you might want to click on it further to really verify how you're doing. This will show you how many different problems you've done, right? How long it took you to do them. This is problem number versus time. And if you click on this right here, right, maybe I'm wondering why did it take me 10 minutes in this problem. Well, you can even look at the problem itself. I might have been on this problem 10 minutes because I might have been doing something else. Who knows? But you can see your progress that way. So again, when you finish a module, click up here, your profile, click again, and it'll tell you what you've done recently. But also I would go look into your skill progress or your activity to see how you're doing. Definitely click skill progress. Again, it's exactly what I see when I'm looking through your work as your coach. This will tell you exactly what's happening. So if you see an issue, like for example, if you just did something, Control F again, that's how you search for it, and you just did the irrational one, right? So Control or Command F and type what you're looking for. If you see a 0 here, well, then click on it because maybe it didn't go through. And if it didn't go through and you're absolutely sure you did it, just send me an email. Let me know. So when I sit down and check through the work, I have your email to verify that you've done it. You don't need to redo it. Just tell me and I'll log it in. Thanks.